People are charging $10 per hour for something that can be done using AI applications. Here is how you can start making $100 per day, pure profit, from 7 days from now. So here is the plan. You start 0 and gradually go to $20 per hour, and every time you'll make a profit of $10 per hour. Step 1, reach out and DM the content creators on Instagram and TikTok. Edit their videos for free in exchange of 5-star rating. 5 people per day. In 7 days you will have 35 5-star rating. Remember, every time you DM someone, show the 5-star rating of your previous clients. Step 2, go to Upwork and Fiverr. Create video editor's profile and post all the testimonials that you have there. Now after 7 days, when you DM someone, tell them your price. But at this point, you should charge $5 to $10 per hour. Do an excellent work using AI and get 5-star rating from them. Now when you DM again, charge $20 per hour. But this time, instead of doing it yourself, delegate your work to someone that you hired and trained. Now your job will be DM and marketing, and your trained editor's job will be doing the job. In order to make $100 a day, all you need is to edit 10 videos using your team members, and you keep $100 per day profit. This is not a get rich quick scheme, but it is definitely the formula to get rich. It doesn't happen overnight. It works like a snowball that starts small on top of the mountain. As it flows down, it grows bigger, and at the bottom, it's so big and it has a huge momentum that it goes long way without gravity. And as it goes, it gets bigger and bigger. So yes, if you say, as you stay consistent, you will get rich. But hey, if all this looks like a lot of work, then you can try high ticket affiliate marketing using the same AI and same videos, just like us and our beginner student. If you want to learn how we do that, check my profile, the first comment and caption for a free case study.